World War II, also known as the Second World War, was a global war that lasted from 1939 to 1945. It involved the vast majority of the world's nations, including all of the great powers, eventually forming two opposing military alliances, the Allies and the Axis. It was the most widespread war in history, and directly involved more than 100 million people from over 30 countries. Marked by mass deaths of civilians, including the Holocaust and the only use of nuclear weapons in warfare, it resulted in an estimated 70 to 85 million fatalities. These made World War II the deadliest conflict in human history. The causes of World War II. The war's roots lay in the unresolved issues of World War I, which ended in 1918 with an armistice and a peace treaty that left many nations dissatisfied. Germany, which was blamed for the war, was required to make extensive reparations and territorial concessions. The Treaty of Versailles, however, was neither lenient enough to appease Germany nor harsh enough to prevent it from becoming the dominant continental power again. The global economic depression of the 1930s led to the rise of fascism and aggressive nationalism, most notably in Germany under Adolf Hitler and the Nazi Party. Japan sought to dominate Asia and the Pacific, and Italy aimed to establish a new Roman Empire. The League of Nations proved ineffective in stopping aggression by Italy, Japan, and Germany. The beginning of the war in Europe began with Germany's invasion of Poland on September 1, 1939. Britain and France responded by declaring war on Germany but did little to aid Poland. The Soviet Union also invaded Poland from the east. By the summer of 1940, Germany had conquered much of Europe, including France. Britain, led by Prime Minister Winston Churchill, was the only major European power continuing to fight the Nazis. The global conflict. In Asia, Japan had been at war with China since 1937. The Japanese attack on Pearl Harbor in December 1941 led to the United States' entry into the war, expanding it into a truly global conflict. The main Axis powers were Germany, Italy, and Japan, while the Allies included the United States, the United Kingdom, the Soviet Union, China, and many others. The turning points of the war included the Battle of Stalingrad in 1942 to 1943, where the Soviet Union decisively defeated the German army, and the Battle of Midway in 1942, where the United States destroyed Japan's naval superiority. The D-Day invasion of Normandy in June 1944 opened a second front against the Germans in Europe. The Holocaust. During the war, Nazi Germany orchestrated the genocide of 6 million Jews, along with millions of others, including Poles, Soviet POWs, Romani, disabled individuals, and political dissidents, in what became known as the Holocaust. The end of the war in Europe concluded with the unconditional surrender of Germany in May 1945, but the war in the Pacific continued until Japan's surrender in September 1945, following the atomic bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki by the United States. The aftermath. The war resulted in the emergence of the United States and the Soviet Union as rival superpowers and the beginning of the Cold War. The United Nations was established to foster international cooperation and prevent future conflicts. The European map was redrawn, with several independent nations restored or created. The major Axis powers were occupied and their war crimes were brought to trial. World War II changed the political alignment and social structure of the globe. The United Nations, UN, was established to foster international cooperation and prevent future conflicts. The victorious great powers, China, France, the Soviet Union, the United Kingdom, and the United States, became the permanent members of its Security Council. The Soviet Union and the United States emerged as rival superpowers, setting the stage for the Cold War, which lasted for the next 46 years. Meanwhile, the influence of European great powers started to decline, while the decolonization of Asia and Africa began. Most countries whose industries had been damaged moved towards economic recovery and expansion. Political integration, especially in Europe, emerged as an effort to end pre-war enmities and create a common identity.